Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna replace the oil pressure sensor. It's located right here under these holes. Okay, it's right here. That's only the connector that go around and go all the way in there. It's down there somewhere. That's it right there. It's down there. Why it's leaking? I need to change it. Right there. It's down there. Okay, you follow the connector right here. The connector right here. That's the guy right here. Okay, you can take this out. That's how it's gonna look like. The connector. I bought it from Beck Arnley, and it came in like original connector. That's the part number. And the sensors look like this. You gotta be careful. Oh, it go in here, it go in there, and it connect to this connector. Alright, and you gotta use 24mm socket. I bought it from AutoZone for like $11.99, and I have to buy the adapter. You see, I don't have I gotta buy the adapter for 3A adapter. Alright, I'll try to check it out and then make more video for you guys. Okay guys, just update. You gotta remove these holes. Yeah, gotta remove these holes and put it away. And this the plug. That's the plug go in here. Okay. Remove that. This clip protector. Took it out. You have to unbolt this. Yeah, I just took it out the plug. Yeah, the plug right here. It's not that hard, okay? Not that hard. Oh, you need a screwdriver. Yeah, just pin on one side and slide it out, okay? Yeah, just pin this side right here and slide it out. Okay. And then now I gotta install the sensor first. There's a lot of there's gonna be oil coming out, okay? You gotta be careful the pressure. So I just open this a little bit. Make sure everything alright. Okay, update. I got it in. After unplug everything, I got it in. I got a socket in there. That's the oil sensor that under here. You gotta remove. Alright, you can see it. Okay. Don't forget to put a rat under here. There's some oil gonna come out. There's oil gonna come out. Okay, it's under there. You can see it. 24mm socket. I'm gonna check it out right now. Don't forget to unplug your battery when you're doing this. Okay, guys, I got it out. I got that shit out. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. That's the one. See it? I don't know. I cannot poke it. That's my iPhone. That focus. Yeah, that's it right there. That's the oil. That's the sensor right here. It just came out. A lot of oil on it. A lot of oil in the plug. A lot of oil in the plug. It's a plug that I took it out. There's a lot of oil in there too. You don't see no oil on this side because I would clean them up. When I clean them up, I think I fucked it up. Change it or don't clean it. This thing will cost you about $13. That's it. There's a lot of oil leaking now. When the engine get hot, it steam up and it get into the plug somewhere out here. Okay, guys. Time to put the new one in. Okay, update, guys. I got a sensor installed on the car already. Brand new sensor. Wow, putting this thing in is like, yeah, put it. I got this thing in. Brand new sensor here. Okay, putting this thing on is not that easy. Okay, you gotta know how to fucking do mechanic stuff. Brand new oil pressure sensor with the connector. You gotta buy both of them are like 25 bucks. Not that bad, but the installation kind of pain in the ass. Well, it took me almost an hour. Okay, this is the old one. 13 years old. This is the old one. 13 years old. It's leaking now. I don't know. It just got old. And you can see a lot of oil in there. I don't know if you see it. Did you see it? There's a lot of oil in there. And this is a connector. I don't know, the connector is still good. I don't know. But I changed it anyway. Maybe the connector is no good. Yep, I got everything fixed. And I gotta check, see anything wrong with it. And then put the battery back on, start up the car. Alright? Oil pressure sensor. Hyundai Veracruz 2007. One more thing. You got your I left my car I left my car overnight, so the engine is really cool. When I took out the sensor, there's no oil coming out. If you don't do that, some oil gonna come out. Alright, good luck, guys. Okay, turn your car on, check for the leak. If there's no leak, it's okay. My car can't focus no more. Good luck, okay?